Hi, all. Just want to go over some common APA errors that I am seeing and that we sometimes see in courses. Just to let you know, the left-hand column and everything highlighted in yellow is the incorrect format, and in the right-hand column, everything in the blue or just the right-hand column is actually the corrected APA for the same example. So remember, the first time you use an author in a citation, instead of just saying CDC, you have to spell out Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and then put CDC in brackets 2020. Then after that, you can start using CDC. I think another one is the authors, the in-text citation. When you have 3 or more authors, you don't have to list everything out, but you do when you have one author, it's Johnson 2018, 2 authors, Jones and Owens 2018, but 3 or more authors, Macy et al. 2018. So that makes it much easier when you have 2 or more authors. The next example is website with a group author. So let's say you find this online article called Wound Care Competencies, and you'll notice that it doesn't really have an author, and you think, well, what do I put? There's no author, there's no date. So when you have no date, you put in .d. But when it's on a website with a group website, it's okay to put CDC as the group author. So again, not CDC, you would spell out Center for Disease Control and Prevention, no date. And then the other thing is any web article title is italicized and only the first word is capitalized, the first word after a colon, the first word or any proper nouns would be capitalized just with any type of a title. So you can see here care and competency shouldn't have been capitalized, and this is what the correct looks like. And then after the title, you put the name of the website. So Wound Central was the name of the website, and then you put the URL. So the next thing is just another example. You don't have to put the date that you got the article unless it's something that changes daily or changes often. Again, you don't have to use the word retrieved from unless it is a website designed to change over time, like wiki or up-to-date type content. Otherwise, this article should be, again, to prevent wildfires. So you would italicize the web article. It's on the NPR website. You don't have to put npr.org, and then you just put the URL. Okay. Then we have some incorrect ways of doing journal articles. So let's look at the main things. Again, it's the capitalization errors. So you only capitalize the first word of a title, the first word after a colon, and any proper nouns. So here it is, Servant Leadership Update. Keys to success. Servant and keys are the only thing that is capitalized. And then always capitalize the main words of a journal and italicize, which this is correct, but the volume number is often not italicized. So you want to also capitalize the volume. Make sure you put your page number range. You don't ever put P or PP. So that's the correct journal article format. Again, you don't put retrieved from. So here's some capitalization errors. You can see graduate nurse retention. The only thing that would be, there's the fixed capitalization. And then you don't put retrieved from. So you just simply put the DOI. And you'll notice here, this is an incorrect DOI. I see that a lot. People will just put the DOI. So it's https://doi.org/ and then you put the DOI number. Okay, whatever it says. So there's the volume that's not italicized. So the other thing is we don't put the city, state of the publisher anymore. So you simply put the name of the book, and you'll notice it's capitalized, the first word after a colon, and it's italicized. You put 5th edition, that's a part of the title. Then you put your period, then you put just Saunders. You don't have to put the retrieved from. You don't have to put vital source, anything like that. So if you put the URL, that's okay, but you really don't have to. Incorrect book title, or it's again, the book needs to be italicized, the name of the book, instead of it's fourth with a 4th for the edition, and then take out the Burlington, Massachusetts. You don't have to put the ISBN number. You don't put incorporated. You just put Jones and Bartlett Learning. And then lastly, for books, incorrect book with a DOI. So this book has a DOI. You definitely put the DOI in the correct DOI format, like we mentioned earlier. You never put their, first of all, you always have to put just their initials. So J. Acterbird, instead of writing out James, you never put their RN, DNP, nothing like that. And then the same. You see the italicizing is correct for a book, and it's in sentence capitalization. So just again, the first word or proper nouns, or and then the first word after a colon. There's your second edition, Shambhala Publications, and there's your DOI. And without a DOI, same thing. There's some capitalization errors. You take out Washington, D.C., you take out retrieved from. So there it is. There's the authors, the date, there's the name of the book with the correct capitalization, there's the edition, period, and then basic books. So if the book does not have a DOI and it's an ebook from an academic research database, in the book reference after the publisher name, do not include the database information in the reference. The reference in this case is the same as for a print book. So hope this is helpful, and thank you so much.